sophomore year was when we had to pick which academy we wanted to be in. I remember toying all the pathways, and the one that stood out to me most was CAHSL, which, if you didn't know, stands for Culinary Arts, Health Sciences, and Leadership. I remember seeing everyone work together, and it was a really hands-on environment, so that's why I thought it would be the best choice for me. Being in CAHSL is truly like having a second family, because everyone works together and strives to be the best that they can. As of right now, since I'm a senior, I'm taking the Clinical Assistant Capstone class, which is a class that you take in your senior year to receive your certificate and hopefully earn your honors. I'm glad I got the opportunity to be in this class because although you have to interview to get in, it's a great opportunity to learn more and learn what it's like to be in the healthcare field. So I really recommend staying in the CAHSL Academy or joining the CAHSL Academy and furthering your education in the health sciences pathway.